Redmi button. Now the turbo version is only full HD in the wide angle lens, and no, it's still very wide, and 4K with the K70. Okay, those names are very difficult. Difficult to remember, my dear friend. Anyway, this is how it looks like. Wide angle lens. Round. Video stabilization. If you want to vlog from those smartphones, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging style. Vlogging. All right. Do we have autofocus in wide angle lens? We don't. In any of. Let me switch to the main lens. Anyway, in the main lens, autofocus available, of course, and both very quick. If you want to vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. A vlogging style. Vlogging. All right. Telephoto. Oh my God! I think I eat the fly. Probably. Anyway, telephoto. Not this way. This way. It will be like 5x, and on another one 5x. Do you see the difference? Because I do. The difference. Okay, that's not the 5x. That's the 5x. Do you see the difference? I see a tremendous difference. We can go all the way to 10x and 6x. All right, so that's the limit. 6 and 10. Let's go back to 6. 6 in both. You see, the difference is significant in a telephoto experience. What about front-facing camera? They both have full HD in front-facing camera. You can see this one is wider with this one, which means, I mean, on the front they look exactly the same. The less expensive Turbo 3 is definitely wider, which is awesome. Do we have autofocus? Not available in any of them. So again, full angle mount. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It doesn't look like it is. Oh wait, okay. Against the sun, it will overexpose greatly. But we can do that. Which one is faster? It both. Okay. The K70 is a little bit faster. But in the end, vlogging style. Let me show you photos.